moment you see this motorhome, it doesn't look like a traditional RV. It looks like a private luxury residence that somehow found a way to hit the highway. The 2027 Cadillac Luxury Motorhome has an enormous presence, with a sleek white body, a sharp front design, massive glass surfaces, and a futuristic shape that immediately grabs your attention. Look at the front. Everything feels clean, wide, and incredibly premium. From the side, the long body gives this motorhome a true luxury coach appearance. The huge windows stretch across the cabin, while the smooth bodywork and large wheels create a powerful road presence. Move around to the rear, and the design stays just as impressive. It feels massive, but still elegant. Now, step inside. The first thing you notice is the cockpit. This isn't the basic driver's area you normally expect in a motorhome. The dashboard surrounds the driver with a premium, high-tech layout, a large steering wheel, digital displays, and a wide windshield that gives you a commanding view of the road. Everything looks designed around the driver, making this enormous vehicle feel more like a luxury car from behind the wheel. But the real surprise begins just a few steps behind the cockpit. Look at this living area. This space feels less like an RV and more like a luxury hotel lounge. There are large sofas facing each other, comfortable individual seats, warm wood finishes, and soft ambient lighting running through the ceiling. The floor has a bright, elegant finish that visually opens up the entire cabin. Imagine sitting here at night while the motorhome is parked somewhere surrounded by mountains. The exterior lights disappear, the ceiling lighting glows softly, and this entire space becomes your private lounge on wheels. And wait until you see the entertainment area. The large wall-mounted screen, premium seating, built-in cabinetry, and dark wood details create a private cinema atmosphere. This is the kind of place where you could finish a long road trip, sit back, turn on a movie, and completely forget you're inside a vehicle. Then we move toward the sleeping area. The bedroom immediately changes the mood. Everything becomes warmer and more private, with a large bed surrounded by rich wood finishes, integrated lighting, and carefully designed storage. The ceiling lighting adds a soft glow, while the darker materials make the space feel calm and comfortable. And then there's the bathroom. This might be one of the most impressive parts of the interior. You get a sophisticated vanity area with a large illuminated mirror, premium cabinetry, and a spacious shower section with glass doors. The combination of wood, polished surfaces, and warm lighting makes it feel much closer to a high-end hotel bathroom than an RV. The kitchen and interior storage areas continue that same luxury theme. Everything is built into the walls, keeping the walkway open and uncluttered. Smooth cabinetry, premium surfaces, integrated appliances, and warm lighting give the space a residential feel without wasting valuable room. And that's really what makes this motorhome special. Every image tells the same story. The exterior gives you presence. The cockpit gives you control. The living room gives you comfort. The entertainment area gives you a private cinema. The bedroom gives you a place to escape. And the bathroom brings genuine luxury into the middle of your journey. Now imagine taking all of this onto the highway. You're sitting high above the road, surrounded by a quiet luxury cabin, while the scenery changes outside those enormous windows. You're not driving toward a hotel anymore. The hotel is coming with you, and that's the crazy part. The 2027 Cadillac Luxury Motorhome isn't simply about getting from one destination to another. It's about making the journey itself the destination. From its futuristic exterior to its beautifully finished interior, this is the kind of motorhome designed for people who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, or exclusivity. And if this is what Cadillac could bring to the road, imagine what the next luxury motorhome could look like. Like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible luxury rides. Because trust me, the next one is even crazier.